Hi, good morning po. Hey, I've been walking around the city all day just to find you walking away right out from my arms. And you always wanna do what you do, and I have to find out the truth from others who end up with you. But I don't think I'll go on. But I know I'm gonna have to try. Lord, give me a reason why. I gotta know what to